Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we do tech unboxings, reviews, assemblies and more. I'm Chester, your host for today. So today, we are going to be taking a look at the Silverstone PS15 chassis. And yes, although this is a micro ATX chassis, but it is still quite big. Yo, so this is actually present Chester talking to you, and what you are actually looking at, it was actually recorded quite a while back, but I feel like I, as present Chester, gotta chime in a bit because you know that guy is so shy. That guy is so shy. He's like, oh, please, I will ask for you guys, just be forgiving, just be understanding, just extend some grace, okay? That's all we ask from present Chester. So to the rest of the video, hope you guys will continue to enjoy. Don't log out, alright? We got plenty of stuff for you to watch, so please subscribe and continue to watch our videos, and we love you guys. Alright, back to you, past Chester. Alright, so let's just take a look around of the box packaging. Features: mesh front panel and optimized layout for outstanding cooling potential. A motherboard backplate opening for quick CPU cooler assembly. All black painted interior for stylish look. Supports expansion cards up to 314mm or 12.3 inches if you're in the United States. Now, the material is made of plastic panel, steel body. Motherboard supports micro ATX and mini ITX. Drive bay internal supports up to 1 3.5 inch and 3 2.5 inch drives, 4 expansion slots. Power supply standard PS2 ATX. So let's open this up.
"2,000 years later."
Okay, so let's take a look at just a quick look. Oh yes, check out the beautiful tempered glass. Take a look at the lighting reflections. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, we have the front. Starting from the front, we have a standard 2 USB 3 ports, a microphone port, a headphone port, a headphone jack, microphone jack, and this should be an LED for the hard drive lighting. This is a power supply. This is a power button. There is no reset button. This seems to be this is a magnetic fan shroud. So I saw this the other time at one of the Corsair cases. So if you want extra airflow, leave it out. If you want extra filter, just put it on. Alright, nothing more about that. So moving on to the side of the case, we have a standard tempered glass panel. So they have a warning here: handle with care. So yes, this is glass, so if you drop it, it will break. If not, you'll be scratched, so please be careful with it. Alright, let's remove it. Remove the 4 thumb screws. Alright, be careful, alright, use both hands to handle it. So I always recommend that if you're not going to be putting it on yet, put it inside your inside the box that the chassis came with, so that it'll be handled. Okay, so let's remove the other screws first. That hurt. Alright, so we have over here, let's see. Yeah, it's a relatively small case, and wow, 3 fans are included by default. That's a lot. So I believe the 2 front fans they support RGB. So I may be wrong about that. Let me check it out. Okay, so this is your parts. So count their cable ties, notifications and screws needed to mount your motherboard. Okay, let's check out the front panel audio. So there is the standard USB 3 blue connector. Let's see what else is here. Front audio. Let's see, for the front panel we have a HD, correct, hard drive activity LED, power switch and power LED. Right, that's all for the front panel. So for the rear fan, we have a 3-pin connector. And what's this? There is a Molex that is labeled power. So we're going to be figuring that out next time. Yes. Okay, I do not like this design. Oh yeah, so just now earlier you saw the Molex connector, right? It is actually for the LED lighting for the words, for the branding Silverstone. So if you don't want it, it's fine. Yeah, so why do I not like this design? Is because you see this? Yeah, everything is connected to the front panel, which means that you can't take it out completely without routing everything out, and that's a hassle. So if you want to be installing fans and radiators, you have to remove the front panel, which gets you in this awkward scenario. Right, so with the two fans, they're 120 millimeters. So this case supports 140 millimeters as well. So I'm just gonna put this back because it's so annoying. Yep, that will work. Let's measure the dimensions of this case. Starting with the length. Length we have is up to 35 cm. Breadth it is 18.6 cm, and finally the height, including the stand, including the feet, it is 38.2 cm. So make sure it's not exactly a very big case, so for some of you guys you will like it more, but it impedes a little bit of airflow, so bear that in mind when taking into consideration. Alright, so that's it for today. So this is our unboxing and first impressions of the Silverstone PS15. Alright, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, and see you guys.